how to change the language of posts translated on Facebook. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe on our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to your Facebook, then you will open it, and after this, when your Facebook is open, you will just go here to this three line, and then on this three line you will go to settings and privacy. Then you go to settings, and then guys you will go to language and region. Then you will go to the second option, language you like to have posts translated into. You will click, and here you will find a list of language, and you will change to the language that you wanna, what you wanna be. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next